We spent 20 days exploring the Galapagos Islands, visiting 3 islands and dedicating 8 full days to scuba diving. This is the story of our first on-the-water day in this incredible place. We are Carlubi and Sebastian, and this is Wonderful Adventures. We choose Academy Bay Diving as our to-go dive center. They organize and book everything for us, but we will share more details on how that went in a future video. For now, let's jump right into our Galapagos diving experience. Our day started at 7 a.m. at the diving club in Puerto Ayora on Santa Cruz Island. From there, it was a 40 minutes drive to the ferry terminal. I, Carlubi, visited the Galapagos back in 2013, so I was thrilled to be back, especially since it was Sebastian's first time here. If you have been following our adventures, you know Sebastian recently completed his advanced open water certification in Spain. We were both beyond excited to dive in the Galapagos' amazing on-the-water world. This trip was our honeymoon after all. Our scuba diving destinations for the day, Mosquera and Daphne Minor. Once we geared up, it was time to plunge in. I'm not happy with these unflattering pictures, by the way, but here we go. This first video might not seem super spectacular compared to what else the Galapagos have to offer. It's just the beginning of our underwater journey. Right away, we encounter a school of yellowtail surgeonfish. And scorpionfish, lurking among the rocks. Scorpionfish have a venomous sting, always keep an eye on the rocks here. Here we spot our very first sea turtle. And here, it might not see clear, but this was our first hammerhead shark, way in the distance. But don't worry, there will be plenty more hammerhead shark sightings in future videos. After some surface time, we headed to Daphne Minor. We were warned we will see huge schools of black-striped Salemas, but nothing prepared us for the sight of millions of them. Not even the okay signs of Byron, the dive master. It was so dense at times that it felt like a night dive. But then a sudden poof of clarity will appear as the school parted. This surreal moment was definitely the highlight of the day. The Galapagos Islands are formed by volcanic rock, giving the underwater terrain a unique rugged look, almost like an apartment complex for different species, right? One thing is true, you need to keep distant to the marine life when diving in the Galapagos. But for checking out generally small marine life on the rocks, you need to get a bit closer, without disturbing. These are called Galapagos blue nudibranchs, are endemic to the Galapagos, meaning they are found only here. This particular species can display vibrant blue hues, as a sign of toxicity or distasteful flavor to warn off potential threats. Before we knew it, It was the end of our dive. Oh yeah, remember to dry the drop off of your GoPro lens. Now heading back to Santa Cruz and lunch, which was included. Do you have questions or comments? Don't be shy, we are looking forward to read you. We would like to know what you enjoy the most and what would you like to know more about. This was just our first day diving in the Galapagos, and we are still have so much more to share, both on the water and on land. Stay tuned for more on the hammerheads, sea lions, marine iguanas, and everything else that makes this place truly unique. Thanks for watching. Happy adventures, everyone!